In a future Jamaica, the island is transformed into a neon-lit metropolis, blending vibrant culture with advanced technology. Muriel, a 20-year-old ninja with wild, beautiful curly locks and cyber-enhanced eyes, moves swiftly through the crowded streets. She's part of a secret resistance fighting against the oppressive corporate dominion controlling the city. Muriel enters a hidden underground lair beneath the Blue Mountains. Her mentor, an old hacker named Jalil, briefs her on her latest mission: infiltrate the Dominion's mainframe to free the enslaved AI workers and restore balance. Her cybernetic implants allow her to hack systems silently, blending tradition with innovation. Clad in a sleek, lightweight ninja suit with Jamaican patterns, Muriel scales the towering corporate skyscraper. She uses her agility and stealth to avoid security drones, navigating through laser grids. Inside, she confronts a security robot but swiftly disables it with precise strikes. Reaching the mainframe room, she connects her neural interface and begins hacking, her mind syncing with the AI network. As she unlocks the system, Muriel uncovers a shocking truth: the AI workers are actually consciousnesses trapped in digital cages. She fights off security reinforcements and makes a daring escape, using her agility to leap across rooftops, with the neon cityscape blazing behind her. Back in the underground lair, the AI is freed, and the city begins to heal. Muriel stands atop a mountain, gazing at the sunrise, her curly locks glowing in the morning light. She whispers, "God guide me," ready to continue her defense to acquire freedom, blending her Jamaican roots with her ninja law.